This video will show you how to change the grade scale for your course to something other than the site default values. Note that it is important for the grade scale information in your syllabus to match the scale used for the course in CampusNet. Log into CampusNet, select My Courses, and open the course you want to edit.
In the left menu pane, select Grades and click the pull down at the top of the screen and select Letters Edit. Note, if the Override checkbox at the top is not checked, you are viewing the site default grade scale. To change the scale, click to check the Override Site Defaults checkbox. It's best to clear all the grade letter boxes before entering your changes. Enter the grade letters in the left column and the lower limit of each in the right column.
I will do an example of a 10-point grade scale where A is 90 and above, B is 80 to 89, etc. In order for the system to round the student's grade properly, the numbers to enter for this example are as follows. A has a lower limit of 89.5000, which will round to 90. B has 79.5000, C 69.5000, D 59.5000, and F is 0.0000.
When done, click Save Changes. You will view a table with the highest and lowest percentages and the associated letter. If all is correct, you are done. If you need to change something else, click Edit Grade Letters, make your changes, and save changes again. If you want to go back to the site default grades, simply uncheck the Override Site Defaults checkbox and click Save Changes again. That's how you change the grade scale for a course.